Hello guys, welcome back to Techkibay YouTube channel, the home of technology and money making ideas. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to use Express VPN for free. Most times if you download your Express VPN, you actually observe that you will only be offered a 7 days free trial, and it happens only once. Okay, it's a one time. It is a one time a one time offer from Express VPN. So right now today I'm going to teach you how to be doing that consistently. Like you wouldn't have to purchase the VPN, or pay anyone for any activation. Instead, all you have to do is installing the APK file, which will be given to you. Then, you know, once you have installed it, you have unlimited free trials. And the one I'm going to give you is 30 days and no more 7 days, okay? The one I'm going to give you is 30 days free trial per um per account you create on ExpressVPN. So you have to do is you go to downloads here. So I already have the APK. You can see ExpressVPN APK mod, okay? Install this APK file. We click accept, allow from this source, okay? All right. Then we go back. We install the app. All right, guys. The app has been installed. So what we're going to do now is to open the app, okay? So you guys can see this. It is saying start a 30-day free trial. Normally, if you download the normal VPN, okay, if you download the main app through the Google Play Store, what you see there is start 7-day free trial. That's the free trial that lasts for only 7 days, okay? But right here, this is a cracked version of it, or will I call it a null version, okay? Whereby you do that continuously without any limit. So what you do now is you click on start a 30-day free trial. You can see the default email here, okay? This email has already been used, and it has exhausted the 30 days free trial, okay? So like example, if you click on this start a free trial, can you guys see that? You see that it says you have already had a free trial. Subscribe from, okay, it's 0.32 USD per month, for you to access all the contents you love, stay secure, anonymously online, and all that, okay? So let's move straight to the point. So what we're going to do is delete this, and we use this email here. We are going to make use of this email as an example, so that you can actually understand how this app works, okay? So you're going to be using ExpressVPN for free. As long as this app is concerned, you use this app free for 30 days, and once you have exhausted the 30 days, you uninstall the app and install it again, and use another email. You can use any email of your choice. You can actually use any email that doesn't exist. As far as it is a valid email address, it will actually work for these guys. So you now click on start free trial. Let's see what happens. Oh my god, you see, it's working for us, guys. It says help improve ExpressVPN and all that. You now click OK. It says set up a VPN. Click OK. Alright, can you guys see that? Okay, can you guys see that? You click here. You can actually connect to any server of our choice. You can say Washington DC or New York. Okay, let's connect to Washington DC. Connected. Wow. Guys, can you see that? Can you see that? So this is how it works. I'm going to drop the link in the description below. So if you want to download this particular APK, this is a modified APK. It's not an ordinary or normal APK file. It's already modified in such a way that you make use of it to get the 30 days free trial anytime you exhaust the one allocated to you. So guys, you can find the link attached in the description, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video.